Comic book community, what's going on? John here, some comic book hunter, and I got 3 packages that I'm going to be unboxing today. Some AOKs, and let's get into it, guys. 3 packages. Let's get into the first one. Jiggs gave it to me. Some comic book hunter. Boom. Like that. Jiggs Kingdom up there in the top. Now, I think I know what he sent me. I believe he told me what he was going to be sending me. And let's see if I'm right. But I might not be. So who knows? We'll see, guys. And I wanted, look at this. What a badass. Okay, here we go. Like I said, I thought I might know what was in here, because I believe he said that he was going to be sending me some bags and boards, but we shall see if that's what it is. Or it might be some books, like he was saying, like he's been putting out in the community. He wanted to have people send me 5 books, and that's just amazing because he knows that my collection is so small. Let's get into it here. Oh no! All right, they're actually books, guys. Oh, cool. All right, let's see these bad boys. Spider-Man, Symbiote, #1. Hell yeah. Ooh, look at this. Captain Marvel. Hell yeah, man. Bonus. Oh, another #1. Did they do those digital editions a lot? I know I've seen a few. Oh, shoot. He was telling me to get this. Start reading some Secret Wars. Variant edition. Very nice, man. Dang, dude, they're like freaking phenomenal condition. Oh, look at this. 0-second printing. Civil War II. I wonder if I bet you these are kind of like just some background stuff, because he was telling me I need to get into, I need to know the background of a lot of these people. Iron Man, Tony Stark, hell yeah. I've seen that movie. Oh, Fantastic Four, #1 as well. Hell yeah, Jig, he's been setting me up with some good stuff to read. #1, #1, 07 variant edition, 0. Hey, thank you. So what's that? $5? Oh, yeah, he sent 6. Thank you, brother. Thanks so much, Jiggs. You the man, dude. And that crazy stream, 36 hours, dude. Is that even... What happened with StreamYards, man? Are they letting you do it all? So here's something I got from Cody, aka Superior Hero Reviews. And another thing from Jiggs, he was saying like, hey, dude needs a short box, so check this out. Oh, man, I forgot to mute my stuff. Dang it. Oh well, sorry about that. Comic book bin, dude. It's the actual hard plastic one. I don't know. Yeah, that's probably just what's in here, I'm assuming, because he sent me another AOK. Well, bam. So let's see what it is. It's heavy. Feels pretty dang heavy, guys. Let's see. Trying not to destroy it too bad. Woohoo! Alright. Like some packing, hell yeah, so I want it moved. I'll need to save that so when I do my AOKs, send out to everybody. Oh, some Gemini boxes. All right, all right. There's 2 of them in here. Holy cow. So let's see. Oh, he did the tape. All right, all right. Yeah, this is, I haven't unboxed it or nothing, you guys, so bear with me here. True unboxing. And let me see. I'm going to read this real fast. It's short. Okay, so it's nothing too, you know, romantic. No. But he says, hope you enjoy these books. They were always fun for me to read. He said he also threw in Secret Wars 8, which is a little beat up. And dude, I mean, look at these guys. Like, I'm in it to read, dude. So thank you so much, Cody. Let's do this here. Get that little tape out of here. Okay. I'll save this. There we go. SomeComicBookHunter. Superior. Yeah, boy. Alright, guys. Looks like I'll take this really, really good. Alright. So look, this is cool. Can't see it. Okay, ready? And woo! Man and Wolf Part 6. Captain America. I have not owned one of these yet, so heck yeah. Another one, Part 1 of 6. Dang, man. I'm sorry about that. I need to quiet my phone. Okay, so 2 Captain Americas, 405, 402. Oh, he's doing the, oh, yeah, boy. Look at that. That's sick. Ghost Rider. Ghost Ride the Whip. Ghost Ride the Whip. Oh, shoot. Send me 2, 24, and 25. This is a double-sized milestone, and it's definitely double-sized. Is that have a little chrome on it or something? Maybe it's just super shiny. I don't think it's that chromoly front, but it does, that silver is kind of shiny. I don't know if you guys could tell or not. Yeah, 2 Ghost Riders. Let's see what this, oh, some more Ghost Riders. And a poster in each issue. Woohoo! Yeah, let's just rip that out, right? No, just kidding, just kidding. I won't do that. Is this thing even open? Is this open or what? Have you opened this? Because it doesn't look like it's even been opened. It's a special collector's item issue. So I probably won't open this. Oh, okay, it's opened. Okay, good. Oh, I see what it is now. That's sick. 1 of 6. So what, was that the whole run? Let me see. 1 of 6. Let's see, 28. No, okay. 24, 25, 28. Okay, alright. I see it now. Hell yeah, brother. Thank you so much. I can't wait to read all these. You guys. Oh, wait, I have one more. Duh. Hold on, let me check this out. I forgot. I was so excited. I'm like missing stuff. Can't miss stuff. Thank you, Cody. Oh, sorry for that shake. All right. Box number 2 from Cody. Superior Hero Reviews. Let's check it out. So I got the Captains, Captain Americas, Ghost Riders, and let's see what we have here. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. This is what he was talking about, ladies and gents. He says it's beat up. I mean, if that's beat up, dude. The first symbiote black suit. Newsstand. Oh, see that? Damn. That's crazy. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, some more capped. Wolfpack Attack, 406. 405. Okay, so yeah, I think he set me up with a run right here. 3, which is issue 404. Cat vs. Wolverine, Moon Hunter. That's sick. So sick. Hell yeah. Alright, let's see what this next one is, guys. Final part 6 of 6, 407. Lord of the Wolves. This is gonna be cool, little wolfy action, dude. So there's 407. Oh, snap. There you go. There we go. I know everybody's been hating on Lobo, or actually what? Is it only... Oh, man. Mature readers only, huh? Book 1 of 4. Alright, alright. Perry, got that Lobo, boy. Sweet. Ghost Rider, another one. Heck yeah. Mephisto on it. Dude, that's sweet. Crazy looking cover. Whoa. Not as crazy as that one, though. Ghost Rider and X-Men. Alright. Issue 27. Dang, dude. Where do you guys find all your freaking comics in such great condition? Oh, here we go. Another Lobo. 2 of 4. Damn, dude. That's some crazy shit happening right there. Oh, his little tank top on. Whoa! Look at that. Issue number 1? Issue number 1. 2 of 4. Wow, man, this is sweet. Can't wait to read these bad boys. And there was Ghost Rider. So, he sent me... Dude, I think that was way more than $5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Dude, you just doubled my collection with just that. And then plus, see what I thought this was, because Jiggs was giving me crap about bags and boards, so I thought that box was going to be just bags and boards. So I'm super stoked on the number 1s. At least I could start, because I don't even think I have it. The only number 1 I have is this guy, the X-Men one. And I think I have one more other number 1, maybe Legion or something. So super stoked on getting the first issues of quite a few of these books, man. Superior, Cody, Jiggs, thank you so much, you guys. I can't wait to freaking dig into these, and I can't wait to put this bad boy together, so I actually have somewhere to put all my, not all my, but so I have somewhere to put my comics in. And look, see, it wasn't too bad, Cody. I know you were worried about it getting here, but came. Minor, I mean, that's just from sliding it probably, but dude, looks good, looks great. Don't hear any broken plastic, so it must be all right. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully this isn't a very long video. I'll try to edit it out. Maybe I'll try to edit some stuff out. I don't even know if I'm going to. I might want to just keep it raw. Because I love getting these things, dude. I know it's only my second ones, but dude, I appreciate it. And you guys are freaking awesome. And I hope I'll be making some more content. I know it's been almost 2 weeks. But man, I've been watching everybody. I've been doing those streams. And Jiggs, that 36-hour stream was nuts. Same with the 9.5 hour before that. I mean, we had some fun, man. So you guys, thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you guys in chat and maybe on the next stream. See you guys.